Welcome to Africa, the cradle of humanity and a continent of breathtaking beauty, rich culture, and incredible wildlife. From the Sahara Desert to the Serengeti, Africa is a land of contrasts and wonders. Home to 54 countries, Africa is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. Explore the ancient civilizations of Egypt, Ethiopia, and Ghana, and discover the vibrant cities of Johannesburg in South Africa, Lagos in Nigeria, and Nairobi in Kenya. Africa is renowned for its incredible wildlife with majestic creatures roaming free in their natural habitats. Witness the Great Migration, the Big Five, and the stunning beauty of the African sunset. From the mighty Nile River to the Atlas Mountains, Africa is a nature lover's paradise. Explore the lush rainforests, the towering waterfalls, and the stunning coastlines of this incredible continent. Africa, a continent of wonder, a land of adventure, and a journey of a lifetime. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.